Hi, I am Zeerak from Zeerak Khan.
And I'm Kat from Kat's Corner.
And I'm Sameer from Yay or Nay. We both are going to do makeup of the best Joker on him. So the funny thing that we haven't told Zeerak yet is that Serish is going to do half of the face and the other half is going to be done by me.
Uh-oh.
And then we will rate which side is a yay, which side is a nay. Since Serish is a makeup artist, a professional makeup artist, and since I try out stuff and then rated a yes or no, yay or nay, and since he is an actor, we're gonna merge it up all.
Just say that the left side of my face is gonna look like Amitabh Bachchan and maybe Sid the Sloth from Ice Age combined. So we're gonna be getting on with the video. Stay with us.
Yes!
Or don't. Your choice.
I'm gonna do it myself since you guys suck at this week.
Yeah,
We suck at it.
My mother tells me to put on a happy face. If I died, I died.
You all can see which side is better.
Yeah, of course. I mean, that's like a tennis player playing with a Bhangi ka bacha, and then the Bhangi ka bacha says, "Oh, I'm not good at this."
I'm not the bhangi ka bacha, am I?
Yeah.
Fine. एक हाइट में ऊपर है
No cause him as that.
और एक थोड़ी सी नीचे. That's what happens when two people do makeup on one person.
Why does my cherry?
He will do the lipstick by
उसके
himself.
ऊपर बोलोगे.
क्यों करेगा ये खुद lipstick?
Because
Because he doesn't trust us.
actually it looks organic. I mean, if you take a look at let's say Heath Ledger or even Joaquin Phoenix, they tried doing their own makeup, which looked much nicer. I mean, obviously the
They look
makeup.
nicer.
No, as in ki, if these two do it, it look professional. If I do it, it looks like I just killed someone or मैं रो रहा था फिर मैंने खुद किया.
3 hours later.
Okay, hey, whoa. So the color failed. So
This thing is a nay. It's a nay.
Nay. Okay, so now that we're done with the makeup, we're not gonna let him go this easy. I still have to rate yay or nay, right? We're gonna do a history of Jokers.
see, my father was a drinker and a fiend, and one night he goes off crazier than usual. Mommy gets the kitchen knife to defend herself. He doesn't like that, not one bit. So he takes a knife, laughing while he does. He looks to me and says, "Why are you so serious?" You want to sweet talk to me? Tell me, would you live for me? Careful. Do not say this oath thoughtlessly. His heart becomes forever, his heart becomes power.
Well, and all these years to think that you're just a little boy in a batsuit crying for mommy and daddy. It'd be funny if it wasn't so pathetic. Oh, what the heck? I'll laugh anyway.
What happens when you cross a mentally ill loner with a society that abandons him and treats him like trash? I'll tell you what happens, Murray. You get what you deserve. Yeah.
That was so awesome.
Total yay! So
They're all a big yay.
yeah, so
Hit the music.
yes.
guys enjoyed the video, I hope this video was a yay or a nay. That's up for you to decide. But if you change your mind, that's totally fine. Do comment down suggestions on what you like to see. And of course, check out all our YouTube channels. Of course, Yay or Nay, Cat's Corner, and moi, Zeerak Khan himself. That's Z-E-E-R-K Khan, not Z-I. Might kill you with a bang. See you soon.
So don't forget to check out all of our channels. Links will be in the description. And do share around with your friends and let us know in the comments down below if you thought this was a yay or a nay. Yeah, so this is it for this video. I hope you liked our Joker.
My dead grandmother can do this part better.
So anyways, so should we do another collab together? If yes, then let us know in the comments below. And we'll catch you around soon. So goodbye. Bye.
Bye, Mom.